So we're going to go through and take a quick look at the Content Finder. We've already reviewed it, but we're going to use a couple of examples just to show you again, just a refresher. We're going to do a couple things. Look for a hero image to put into this container background, and I think we'll just throw a hero component in here and search for an image as well. So the first thing we're going to do, we've gone through, and again, this is a whole word search. The title and description are searchable. So we've got LGO here, and we've returned just a number of logos. And so what we're going to look for is a hero. Again, if we do hero, we're going to get all kinds of stuff in here. So let's do HRO. That'll return some results. So I can go through here and see there's quite a number of things here that we can use for hero if we would like to. So let's go ahead and access that background on the container. So we're going to click Edit on the hero container and go to the Background Image tab. That's where we load in our image for this background. Now, if I just went through here and just grabbed, so just for the sake of demonstration, grabbed a couple of these. I'm going to grab this and throw it in there. Purple bounding box tells me that that's going to fit okay, and I'm going to drop it in and click OK. Let's try, I'm just going to look for something else. We'll go back here and let's try this image of Niagara. So again, the purple bounding box is going to tell me that that will drop in there okay. It's going to swap that out. So you can just swap this in and out. And again, we've got this hero listing right here. I'm going to click OK. And the system is telling me that this one is too big. So one of the features here in the Content Finder is this mosaic view, which we've got here, and it'll show you an icon and a little bit of information. It'll show you the name of the file. But if we click onto List View, we can go through and see, it'll actually give us the sizes on these. So for instance, that Niagara Falls here is 183K. And as the system shows us here, 150 is the K that's really acceptable for a hero image up there. So anyway, that's just a couple of different things you can do when you're searching through here. We can do a hero. Let's go ahead and swap that out and get something a good size in there. Hero iPad. These are all looking like they're within the right size. We'll click Edit. And then just grab one of these and throw those in. And again, so just shows you how we're going to access some of this information. I added the qualifier iPad in there because that's what we're looking for here. Clicking OK, and then you can see that's going to fit right in there. Now I'm just going to clear that out because I want to try a couple of different things here for you. So we're going to click Clear, and then we'll click OK, and we're back to where we were before. So what I'd like to do is just drag any component in here that's going to have an image associated with it. So again, I can search for the image that I'm looking for. So I'm going to right click New, and again, that's how we access a filtered list of components via the Insert New Component dialog box. I'm going to click on Responsive because this will be a responsive page. I'm going to put a hero up here, so I'll click on Hero, click OK, and then we have that hero right there. And you can see I've got a hero component here, and I also have an image component within that hero configuration. So we've got a predetermined CTA and title and text component here, an open text component, and then an image component. And I want to put in an image that I think is going to fit there. I'm going to put in here a couple of words that are in the description of an asset that I know that I'm looking for. So it's portfolio, and the width is 546. So if I click Return or click Search on that, that's going to give me the image that I'm looking for. And that's the specific image that I want to load to my image component right there. Sure enough, that loads right there. So we'll go into greater detail about how I access that specifically when we get into the DAM. But there's a little bit about working with the Content Finder and how we go through and use this to load in specific images.